Hello, I'm Mr. Smith, and together we're going to learn about numbers up to 1,000,000! We're going to look at how numbers are made and count up to 1,000,000. Let's take a closer look at some numbers. Here is a place value chart. Look at the columns carefully. We have used some abbreviations. Starting at the right and working left, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, and hundreds of thousands. I'm going to add some counters to the place value chart. See if you can work out what number I'm making. I've built this number from counters and a place value chart. Take a closer look. What number have I made? That's right, it's 225,361. Sometimes we leave a little gap between the thousands and the hundred, tens and ones, or we might use a comma like this. It makes the numbers easier to read. Let's have a look at another number. What number have I made this time? I've made 270,343. How many digits will I need? Let's find out by writing the numbers under the place value chart. Looks like I'll need all 6 digits. 0 is a placeholder and tells us that at the moment we have no thousands in our number. But the thousands space needs to be kept open for when we do. So we write a 0 in this space. Our number can be written like this with a gap or with a comma. I'm now going to show you 2 numbers using place value charts. I want you to work out which number is the greatest. Ready? Let's go! Which number is the greatest here? Let's start with the highest value on the chart, the hundreds of thousands. Both numbers have the same number of hundreds of thousands. Now let's look at the tens of thousands columns. The numbers are different. One place value chart has 50,000. The other place value chart is showing only 40,000. The top number is the greatest. Let's prove it by writing the numbers in numerals. When we write the numerals underneath, we can see that 153,083 is greater than 144,452. Now let's have a go at working out the smallest number. Take a look at these numbers. Can you work out which is the smallest? Let's see. That's right, it's the bottom number. It is 10 fewer than the number at the top. There are lots of other ways to visualize bigger numbers that can help us make sense of them. This is an abacus. It's a frame which works in a similar way to the place value chart, but this time we use beads rather than counters. What number have I made here? Pop me on pause if you need more time to count. I've got 960,000. Let's see what happens if we keep making the number bigger. 970,000, 980,000, 990,000. Oh no, I can't fit on any more beads. What is the next number going to be? That's right, our next number will be 1,000,000. That's a gigantic number. When or where might you use the word 1,000,000? You might play computer games and earn or win points. Have you seen thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, or even 1,000,000 points? Some special things like rare paintings cost millions of pounds to buy. When you're next at home or shopping, look for some of these bigger numbers. Try to compare and order them. Thanks a million!